10 Small Steps to Big Wealth. Even though the ancient Greek poet Homer spoke about how much the morning has an impact on a person's life, very few individuals today can say that they had a productive morning. Imagine forming a few good habits in the morning that will actually make you richer. After watching this video, you'll have an opportunity to try these habits out in the morning tomorrow. Hello there, this is the Financial Fortune, and in this video, we are going to talk about 10 good habits to do in the morning to become rich. Please don't forget to leave a like, click subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we release new videos. The first habit is writing down your dreams as soon as you wake up. Dreams are problem solvers. Jim Kwik writes down his dreams as soon as he wakes up and encourages others to do the same. The reason is that your mind never stops functioning. In fact, it continues to work while you sleep on the task from the previous day. It's possible that you dreamed of the answers you were looking for. While you were working or studying all day, attempting to manage certain chores and resolve personal and professional problems, your brain continues to review the previous 24 hours as you sleep. Unconsciously, the mind looks for solutions to the problems that have been raised throughout the day. You get fantastic thoughts and solutions while you're sleeping. The issue is that once you get out of bed, you can no longer recall your dreams, so you need to keep a dream journal and record all of your dreams as soon as you wake up. The second habit is making your bed. Jim claims that such a routine will help you maintain order and give you a sense of accomplishment in the morning. Making your bed helps to calm your mind. Because you easily completed the morning's first task, you have undoubtedly had a successful start to the day. If you make your bed every morning, please give this video a thumbs up. The third habit is drinking a glass of water once you wake up. Success comes from water. Coffee is certainly how you start your morning, but it is a huge mistake. Your body, especially your brain, needs water after you wake up. Your brain needs constant hydration. We lose a significant amount of water while we sleep, therefore you should make up for that water loss by drinking a big glass of water once you wake up. The fourth habit is using the opposite hand in brushing your teeth. The act of brushing your teeth turns out to also have advantages for your brain, but you have to do it correctly. Jim claims that switching to your opposite hand when brushing your teeth every morning will make your brain start operating more effectively. It has been established that using the opposite hand to brush your teeth benefits both of your body and your brain. It creates new brain pathways. Additionally, it activates the brain's second lobe, which is frequently ineffective for you. When you practice this habit, you start the day off by being extremely productive. The fifth habit is to breathe in deeply. Oxygen provides us with life and energy just like water does. In general, Jim thinks that providing the body with oxygen is essential. What can be done about the fatigue state of mind that people have when they wake up? Jim's first piece of advice is to perform a breathing workout and deep breathing exercises to flood your body with oxygen. The sixth habit is to spend time for yourself. After accomplishing the above-mentioned routines, spend some time for yourself by enjoying a cup of herbal tea. No harm will come to you from exercising some common concentration. You can do it in the morning with a nice herbal tea. The body receives antioxidants and other nutrients from quality green tea, while little caffeine wakes up the brain. The seventh habit is to keep a journal. Additionally, you don't want to waste any tea drinking time. Start keeping a journal for yourself. For instance, Jim records his daily schedule and his top 3 gratitude in his journal. He once read a Time magazine article on nuns who were in their 80s and 90s. He was interested in learning how they remained so long-lived. It came out that their emotional faith and gratitude played a big part in it. Another crucial point to keep in mind is that you can be grateful for what you already have. You won't get what you want. The eighth habit is to have a morning workout. You shouldn't ignore the significant influence that sports have on your life, of course. Although not everyone has the time to exercise during the day, you can always get it in first thing in the morning. Jim advises against performing a full workout in the morning. The most important thing is to simply move. By doing so, You'll increase blood circulation throughout your body and make your muscles and brain ready for the tension your day will bring. Just 3 to 4 minutes of exercise are sufficient to start your heart pumping, as the rate at which your blood is pumped throughout your body and the strength of your heartbeat both influence how your brain functions. The ninth habit is eating breakfast. Breakfast is the most important part of the morning since it controls your energy levels, health, and mood for the rest of the day. Long periods of sleep result in slowed down bodily functions, including decreased glucose levels, decreased insulin sensitivity, and increased cortisol production. Starving yourself or consuming an excessive amount of carbohydrates is the worst thing you can do in the morning. The first scenario will result in continued metabolic exhaustion. The longer hunger gap associated with low blood glucose levels will raise the likelihood of crashing on calorie-dense food, and the increasing sense of hunger will make you continually think about eating. Because satiety takes longer to develop in such a state, it is more challenging to detect satiety signals. High cortisol levels also don't help. In the second scenario, a breakfast with too many carbohydrates and low insulin levels may leave you feeling lethargic and hungry after just 2 hours. Everything revolves around the glycemic index. Even the most beneficial buckwheat porridge will have the same effects on your body as a slice of cake if it is high. Breakfast foods are a treasure mine of nutrients, including calcium, iron, and B vitamins, as well as the protein and fiber the body needs to absorb them. They also give us energy. According to numerous studies, a person is unlikely to make up for their loss over the day if they are skipped along with breakfast. The 10th habit is to spend the morning reading a book. You can greatly broaden your horizons and master one book each month by reading every day. Leaders are readers, thus 20 to 30 minutes should absolutely be set up for reading. The head of a large company reads at least 7 books per year compared to the average person's 1 or 2 books per year. Small actions add up to a large outcome. It is important to reiterate that a good morning lays a foundation for the rest of the day. To others, it can appear insignificant, yet this is actually what the road to wealth entails. You will have to decide whether to start altering your life tomorrow when you wake up in the morning to become wealthier and more successful, or to leave everything as it is and rely on chance. The most crucial factor is whether or if your decision will make you happy. That is it for today's video. Check out this video on behaviors that will make you wealthy, or check out this playlist about lifestyle. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. This is the Financial Fortune, and thank you for watching.